The question we are solving now belongs to test series 6. It is of digital electronics subject. In specific, it belongs to flip-flops. As per the question, there are 3 T flip-flops present as shown. The circuit is a ripple counter circuit, and the inputs of the flip-flops, that is T0, T1, T2, are connected to a high input. The clocking of T0 is given as shown. The output of T0 is Q0, which is left open, and the output Q0 bar of the flip-flop 0 is connected to the clock of T1. The output of the flip-flop are Q1 and Q1 bar. Q1 is left open and Q1 bar is connected to the clock of flip-flop 2. Q2 and Q2 bar are left open. It's given that the initial state of the flip-flop or initial state of the ripple counter, that is Q2, Q1, Q0 is equal to 0, 1, 1, and it's also given that 2 clock pulses are given to this ripple counter. After the 2 clock pulses are given, we need to find the output Q2, Q1, Q0. We know that from the nature of the T flip-flop, if the input to the flip-flop is 0, the output at the instant t plus 1 remains same as the input at the instant t. This is due to the application of the clock pulse at the instant t equal to 0. Now if we apply a clock of 1, or rather say if we give a input of 1, we know that the output at the instant t plus 1, that is qt plus 1, is equal to qt bar. From this data, we need to find the final state of the given ripple counter. The initial state of the ripple counter is given as Q2, Q1, Q0 is equal to 0, 1, 1. And when a clock pulse is given, due to the nature of the T flip-flop 0, the Q0 becomes 0, because of which Q0 bar will be 1. Hence, the output of the first flip-flop will be equal to 0. Similarly, the output of the second flip-flop will be 1. Now, when the second clock pulse is given, Q0 will become 1, because of which Q0 bar will be 0. Hence, the output of the flip-flop that is marked 1 will remain at 0 itself, and because of which Q1 bar will be 1. Hence, the output of the flip-flop 2 that is marked gets toggled. Hence, the output will be equal to 0. From this we see that the final state of the given ripple counter is equal to 0, 0, 1. Hence, the correct option which represents the final state of the ripple counter as per the given data is D.